All right, welcome back to our series here in the first three steps for any business on Google My Business. I'm Scott Finney with Creating Value LLC. You can get all these resources I reference in this series at creatingvaluellc.com/quick. Drop your email in there, leave me a 5-star review on how much you're enjoying this content, and I'll be sure to send you more of it in the near future. So, you have a business, you need to convey to Google that it's a legitimate business that exists so that when customers are searching for you, Google has confidence in sending them to you. All right. First step, we verified our Google My Business account. Second step, we are going to populate all the content inside the info section. So if once you're in your Google My Business dashboard, you'll be able to enter this dashboard even before you're verified. Over here on the left-hand side, you see info. Make sure the name of your business is correct, your categories, put your address in, your service areas, put those in as well. And then phone number, and this right here will be coming up very important next. Your website, your appointment site, add your services, products, description. When you open this location, put in all of this information. Take a guess if you don't know. Populate it. Add photos. We'll get into photos at a more detailed rate. But first step is verifying. Second step is putting in all this information in your Google My Business. All right. Once again, this is part of a series. Head over to creatingvaluellc.com/quick, and I'll send you all the videos in this series and some additional resources to help you gain businesses online. Once again, I'm Scott. Thanks a lot for your time. Talk to you soon.